Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make GTA 5 using ChatGPT. Yes, I made GTA 5 using ChatGPT. Now, in this video I'm going to be telling you the steps and how to do it. The prompts I'm going to be telling you. I'll be telling the prompt, I'll show the prompt to you. But first of all, if you have not liked or subscribed, please do that now. And let's get started. Sorry. So first of all, I already know we don't go to ChatGPT. Then with these, we're not going to be using the prompt. We're not going to be using the prompt on our head. We'll use AI to generate the prompt. As we all know, they say that DeepSeek is one of the most powerful AI for coding. So that I'm going to meet DeepSeek now. We'll go and visit DeepSeek. And I tell him that alpha now I can create a prompt. I want to make GTA 5. So let's take to the highest DeepSeek, search the wherever necessary. Alright, let's go. So I'll ask it. So I'm telling it to create a prompt. It's Python. It's Python. Then make a prompt for me, making it without a gaming engine. Make it new. So ask it to give us a prompt. Then from here we'll visit ChatGPT. Although ChatGPT doesn't like, so we'll use Gemini. and ChatGPT. So Gemini will set it to the highest. So let's set it to the highest. So head to Pro. That's for the code, right? Then I think DeepSeek has simple. Oh, I asked you not to create a code. Right now. I'm not sure. I have no. Let's just copy the prompt of it. Let's just do it. So from there we open Python. Python. So this code you can either use VSC or anything. So we just have to use HTML and JavaScript. So okay, this is good. Let's copy these prompts. So the prompts are going to be in the description below. So add Gemini to create it for us. So I don't go to the last tab. Python open. And also let us check Gemini. Brother, just make it. So this is the code. HTML and JavaScript sheet one. Because now we use top. Fuck man. It's just giving me Python code. So this code pen, also just click on start coding. The click instances on JavaScript. This guy is not done yet. I would like to use it, but I don't think create the game. You can actually do that too, but this guy is not done yet, guy. Oh, separate it. CSS and JavaScript. Separate it. I'm not sure if I had this thing to finally separated it. This is HTML, so let's copy it. Copy it. Then go with code pen. So let's see whether the Python code will actually work. So let's copy the Python code first. Okay, no, this is not Python code. Let's see whether this works. Actually, I don't want it. I need it. How do I does it from? So let's continue using which paste.
Separation from soap and existing.
So CSS. I played this one because I'm very seeing that it's not going to be beautiful. But I'm not in JavaScript. I knew it didn't do it well. See? But I'm on. I think it's not going to work. Python is not going to work. Okay, I'm going to do something else again, but with Gemini. I've never done the code, brother, man. Shit, what have I done? Okay. Send me message. I think this is actually doing a good job with that. See how long this code is. I'm getting confused there. So when you begin the code, I think this is the beginning of the code. I've copied. Open. No. Honest. Okay, I think this is also just doing it. You actually do it. Bro. What the hell? Okay, they will do it. So let's go to this guy, copy his code and then give him code pen. mute it. Don't give me the. You can actually do it at the time that. So alpha CSS ready. CSS ready. CSS is ready. Copy CSS. Open. Alright, CSS is copied already in JavaScript. JavaScript is not yet. It can create it. It can create it. Oh God, I'm coming. Let me go to finish. So I'm waiting for it to finish, guys. DeepSeek is actually good at creating code. It's good. I wish I can pause it, but I don't have to pause. But I don't have to pause. Okay, so I'm going for printing, bro. I'm gonna pause. Yes, mom, coming. So guys, the code is not done yet. DeepSeek is actually doing a good job. Let's wait for it. So guys, is it done? Guys, this is since yeah, this is not done. This is not done. Code is large. So guys, till now it's not still done. I don't know what to do. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pause. That's a problem. I don't know how to pause. But it's not done. Jesus. I wonder what this guy is doing. think I know one code. I don't code. DeepSeek are fun, man. They asked you to create the whole game for me. Jesus. DeepSeek did ask you to create game for me. Jeez. This said I know how to create game for me. Yo. This and you want to start make you want to start to sue me. I beg you. I beg. Oh, thank God. It's done. Okay, so okay. Okay, so yeah, this thing was it. Almost everything but I'm on. So let's copy and paste this thing. Let's see this guy on. So it doesn't know. So once we'll test it out for a month. What the hell? Wait, is this a game? What is this a game? Azal. Okay. Who's the character? Wait, I'm about to do a mission. No, I don't do a mission. Gee. Step west from going to chop shop. Guys, oh no. Azal, man. Guys, I'm playing the map. You know what I mean? I'm done. Alright guys, please subscribe.